Hi there, little friends. I'm Slowpoke, your safety buddy.
Wow, a talking sloth. That's so cool.
Today we're going to learn about staying safe, especially when crossing the road.
But I know how to cross the road. Watch me.
Wait, that's not safe. Let me show you the right way. First, we find a safe place to cross, like a zebra crossing or traffic light.
Okay, I see one.
Good, now we stop, look, and listen.
Stop, look, and listen. Got it.
When it's clear or the light is green, we cross, quickly but carefully.
Let's practice together.
First, we look left, then right, then left again. Remember, always hold an adult's hand when crossing.
This is fun. What other safety rules can you teach me?
Well, we should also be careful on the playground.
What should we watch out for there?
Always use equipment properly, no pushing or shoving.
And we should take turns on the slide, right?
Exactly, and wear proper shoes to avoid slipping.
What about at home? Are there safety rules there too?
Oh yes, many, like keeping away from hot stoves.
And not playing with sharp objects.
That's right, also, never open the door to strangers.
I'll remember that. Safety is important everywhere.
Now let's practice our road safety one more time.
Oh no, Slowpoke, there's a busy street ahead. Can you cross it?
I'm not sure, I'm a bit slow.
Don't worry, I'll help you use the safety rules we learned.
Okay, what's the first step?
First, we find a safe place to cross. Look, there's a zebra crossing.
Good job, now what's next?
We stop, look, and listen. The road is clear, so we can go.
Don't forget to keep looking and listening as we cross.
We did it, Slowpoke. We crossed the road safely.
That's my safety superstar.
Look, Slowpoke, I'm teaching my friends how to cross safely too.
That's wonderful. Sharing safety knowledge is very important.
We're all going to be safety superstars now.
Remember, kids, safety first, and you'll always have fun.
Thanks, Slowpoke. We've learned so much about staying safe today.
You're welcome, my little friends. Stay safe, and see you next time.